Hi, and welcome to Discus with OCR. The Optical Character Recognition add-on feature attempts to convert image requirements of items, such as dimensions and notes, into structured requirements, which are displayed in the Bill of Characteristics panel. Watch as I drag and drop a balloon on the drawing, creating an image requirement. Now I'm going to open the Characteristic Properties window. The Optical Character Recognition engine scans the digital image and extracts the numeric and text characters from it. Then it runs pattern recognition software in an effort to interpret the output so that the data can be transferred to the structured fields. Corrections can be made by using the drop-down list and by typing into the fields. When the structured requirement has been completely filled out, I can click on the OK button to exit the dialog. Watch as I balloon additional features, such as GD&T.